what's going on, guys? We're out here at a local park. I'm shooting the Olympus Pen EE2, which is 35mm half-frame camera. So as you can see, it's just gone golden hour, so the light is really nice at the moment. You're getting those golden highlights rolling off the side of the hills here, so we're just going to make the most of it. I have around 20 photos left on this roll. It is Kodak Gold, so yeah, hopefully it should turn out pretty good. A couple months ago I made a video in the same location, but it had a lot of different lighting and the weather was quite different, so I think the overall feel was completely different to what we're shooting tonight. So yeah, we were just going for a walk and just seeing what we could come up with. It was more about the exercise rather than the overall quality of the photos, so I am really keen to see how these photos turn out. So essentially you get 72 photos on a roll of 36 exposure film, and that's because the sensor is actually cut in half, so you get double the photos. What we've been doing is just walking around and making some images, either testing out the manual controls, the flash, try to do a couple of double exposures. I'm not sure how they turned out, but I guess we'll see. So this is a fully mechanical camera, so what that means is it doesn't actually require any batteries in order to use it, but in saying that, it is actually very automatic. So what I mean by that is it has a built-in light meter and it's a single focus. So this is actually considered a point-and-shoot camera before point-and-shoots actually became a thing. So what that means is you can just point it at anything and shoot without the stress of focusing, which is really convenient if you aren't too familiar with these older cameras. And I've actually already shot majority of this roll previously. At the start of this year, I took a trip to Bali. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show those photos just to give you a better understanding of some of the photos and looks this camera can produce. So I hope you did enjoy the video and the photos as well. It's definitely been such a long time since I've been able to go outside and make some images, so that was a really good feeling. I do plan on making a lot more of these location videos in the future, so make sure you subscribe to check those ones out. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.